Wow, that was odd. Said hello in a beeping noise. That's weird. This is the lift at Glassworks car park in Barnsley. That one's not working. It's a Sheridan Kleeman lift. Actually, this lift is working. Go down to basement. No, can't go to basement. Go to ground floor. Basement staff only. Don't know why it's got it as a exit floor. Capacity's 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Built in 2020. It's a Kleeman Sheridan lift. It's got Schaefer buttons and a Zeta motor. So this lift was working, it's just the indicator wasn't working. Here are G. It's going to be the door on the right. This is the lift at TK Maxx in Barnsley. Oh wow, this is rare.
Doors closing.
So Otis Gen 2 Life lift. So it's the new style. Capacity 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Built in 2021.
Doors
Back
opening.
down to G.
First floor. Going down. Doors closing.
Door close button does work like that. This is the first Gen 2 Life I have ever been in, and it's very nice. Very shiny as well.
Opening, closing.
And that's it. This is the lift at Cineworld in Barnsley. Door close button does work like that. It's another Kleeman Sheridan lift. Capacity's 12 persons, 1,000 kilos. Built in 2020.
First
It's
floor.
got 2 doors. Go back down to G.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
It's got a square chafer and it's got the double 2-speed doors.
Ground floor.
Here we are at G. This is the lift at Barnsley, platform 1. It's going to be a Hammond and Champness lift. Glass lift. It's the one on the right.
Lift going down.
It's going to go down.
Door.
It's a glass lift and it's hydraulic. Capacity is year made 1992. Capacity is 15 persons, 1125 kilos. Here are G. Oh, it's got a yellow exclamation mark as well.
Doors opening.
Back up.
Door.
And this is a rare lift as well. Look at that. I thought there was only a blue one when I saw it on the internet. It's a very nice glass lift. It's very nice.
Bridge.
Here are footbridge.
Doors opening. Lift going down.
This is the lift at Barnsley platform 2. It's going to be another Hammond and Champness lift. Slow doors. Going to go down to platform.
Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
Capacity 15 persons, 1125 kilos. Year made 1992. These lifts are more than 30 years old. Here are G. This one's only got a blue exclamation mark.
Doors opening.
Go back up. This is platform 2. Platform 1's got a set of 2 lifts. This is just one lift on its own. Here are footbridge. Voice doesn't work very well. This is the lift at Barnsley Library. I'm
Going
going to go up to 3.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
It's got 2-speed door, this one.
Going up.
Left one's got a bog standard door. It's a Techno Leicester lift. Capacity 8 persons, 6 kilos, built in 2019. I don't think the indicator's working. It's a Techno
Floor 3.
Leicester controls.
Doors opening.
Back down to G and we'll change.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Door close button does not work.
Going down.
That's the only interesting thing about this lift, is those flashy lights there.
Ground floor.
Take this one up. It's this one.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
It's got those
Going up.
sensors again. Capacity 17 persons, 1275 kilos, built in 2019. It's a Techno with Leicester. This is a bigger lift.
Floor 3.
It's got Zeta motor.
Doors
Back down to G.
going down. Please mind the door. Doors closing. Going down.
It's got Dewhurst buttons. Core stations are Leicester button. Indicator works properly in this one.
Ground floor.
Here are G, and that's it. This is the lift at Barnsley Market. Door close button does work like that. It's another Techno Leicester lift. Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos. Built in 2018. It's got a broken indicator. And it's got the coloured sensors again. Back down to G. Wow, these buttons are stuck. It's got the triple 2-speed door. Double 2-speed door. And Zeta motor. We are back at G.
Going
Go up to 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos, built in 2018. This is the same as the last lift.
Lower 1. Doors closing.
The chime doesn't work on this one.
Going down.
We are back at G.
Ground floor.
This is the lift at Sports Direct in Barnsley. It's a cone monospace. Capacity 13 persons, 1000 kilos, built in 2021. Back down to G. This is the car park lifts at the Alhambra shopping centre in Barnsley. It used to be cone lifts. They've been modernised by ThyssenKrupp with Stenter Gate, built in 1991 and modernised in 2006. Only one lift is working as well. Shame there's only one lift working. That's the motor room up there, and these do pre-door.
Doors closing. Doors
Back up to 5. Door close button does work like that. Capacity 13 persons, 1000 kilos. Here are 5.
5th floor. Doors.
This is the glass lifts at the Alhambra shopping centre in Barnsley. This one here.
Going down.
Go down to
Please mind
C.
the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Cheapside floor. Closing. Going up.
Very slow, this lift.
Car park.
Now we're going to ride the original lift. That one on the right was a ILE cone lift. This is a cone M with Dewhurst buttons. They're both roped hydraulic. Here it is. No pre-doors, unfortunately. Go down to C.
Doors closing.
Capacity 16 persons, 1250 kilos, built in 1991. The other lift was modernised around 2020 and was built in 1991.
Doors opening. Doors opening. Gallery. Doors closing.
Back down to C. Door close button does work like that. The other one doesn't work because it's an inefficient logic. This one's efficient. Oh, we're going all the way now. It's very slow, but this one's more efficient than the other one. Here we are.
Doors.
And there it goes. Take a look at the pit. And there's the pit. It's got a blue exclamation mark. And that's it. This is the lift at Alhambra shopping centre in Barnsley. It's another cone, modernised by ThyssenKrupp.
Doors closing.
Door close button does work like that. It's the same as the car park lifts. Capacity 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Modernised in 2006 and built in 1991. This one's a hydraulic.
Market Street.
Back down to G. We'll go back down to G.
Doors closing.
No pre-doors in this one, unfortunately. Only the main car park lifts have pre-doors. Glass ones don't have pre-doors. Here we are back at G, and that's it.
Cheapside level.
This is paying for parking at the Glassworks in Barnsley. There's the ticket before we insert it in. It says insert ticket halfway. Oh, right, so that's how you have to insert the ticket, and we want a receipt. Oh, so you have to insert the ticket halfway, and it's £2. For some reason the coins don't seem to be going in. Oh. In we go with the ticket. There we go. And down we go on the spiral ramp.